Has the building been cleared?
No, there's a dude on the top.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you can see him walking around.
Yeah, so you gotta go single shot.
Oh. I think we just got him, he's coming out.
Yeah.
Let's stop in the doorway.
Up to the right.
See, there's two over there. I'm gonna move up, let me out.
That's it, good.
Is it the bushes just stopping everything?
Yeah, they do, mate. There's someone down on my left.
On your right.
Edge panel, left bottom corner.
Got him on the left over there. Watch out. Got him. Got him. Good stuff. Back out. Yep.
From our equipment.
Alright, he's hit. Okay, cool.
Reloading.
Oh, it hit!
Wanna go?
Wait, on the right, no.
Oh. Wait.
See, he's pushing.
Oh, I see you.
Watch out.
See that?
Watch out.
That tree, there's a guy hidden there on our team.
Is that our guy?
The guy 3 meters away is ours.
Okay.
Nice little headshot.
Jesus, you're really pinned here. Why did I come to you? This was a terrible idea.
Out, hit!
Oh! Hit! Good stuff. Ah! Is that guy hit? No, he's not. Now he is. He's hit as well. He's hit as well. Good.
I think shooting well.
3 down. Oh, Jesus, that was close. 2 guys to the left.
Shotgun here, avoid
Hit! Hit! Mag out. You got eyes on someone?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm going to move out that way.
Good luck with that.
Oh yeah, I see him. Oh, hit! You want to go to the next one?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll try and
cover?
yeah, stay. Hit! Go, 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 go. I'm going to move up to the next barricade.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh! That's a dude right there. Nice, I just got 2 of them. Hit! It begins.
Shooting through!
The fucking. Cool. Yeah, I know.
Yeah!
Hey!
Oh, no.
Go, mate. Don't drop the gun.
Push it more this way.
I can't balance. Passing.
Got him, got him. Oh.
You alright, mate?
Yep. Got him. No. Okay, I'm gonna move up. Max, don't move, don't move. Two down on the left. Oh! Yep. Just tripping on everything I see. Yeah. Did I get him? Oh, hit! Dead player. Ow! Ooh! Ow! Ooh! Whoa, yeah. Let me out! There's too many people here. Let's go around. Go around. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi.
Push one up here, push one up.
Oi! These fucking tree roots. Got him.
Where? Hello.
Nice, just got 2.
One's on the left side, bro.
Got another one. Got another one. Mag out. Worst possible place to have to fucking reload. Buddy, pocket.
Fucking hell, how'd that happen? Thanks, mate.
That's a really good defensive position. Very nice big tree you've got there, my friend. Watch out, there's a guy on the right, down over there.
Oh, hey.
Hit! Oh, my poor old knees.
Careful.
Oh shit.
Left side and straight on.
Okay, moving up. There's guys in the building on the ground floor.
Yeah, there's one on the top floor.
Oh shit. Very close.
Oh, hit! Got him.
Putain, j'ai plus de batterie. Oh, hit! Oh!
There's a mini sniper right against.
Ah.
Top level, boss.
Yeah, I see it. He's shooting at me. Oh, that's it. Out of ammo. We got one life here, yeah?
Pardon?
We got one life here, yeah?
Did we?
No, I'm asking you.
Oh, no clue. Yeah, but that was about.
Oh, that's close. Look at that!
Hit! Nice. What, sorry?
So could that thing get any louder?
It can, yeah. Oh, here we go. Nice.
Watch your back, watch your back.
Hit! 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 Oh, Jesus!
Are you shooting the window?
Yeah,
Right.
the guy on the top right, poking sometimes. Oh yeah, got a guy dead centre in the hallway. Hit! Gun hit! Hit!